Morning Champions. Josh Eppes here with Broke is No Joke and Freedom Fighter, and we're on the movement for true freedom. I got Dr. Scott McComas here, Doctor of Evil, I call him. He says Doctor of Good. I think both really apply. But yes, he is my brother from another mother, my business partner in Volition of Motion, partner in crime, all that good stuff. How you doing today, Scott?
I'm doing great, Josh. I'm doing great. How are you?
Awesome. Doing fantastic.
All right.
Hey, just want to share a little bit about what you got going on, because you're got some awesome things happening.
Yeah.
And I'm excited for that. So I want to talk about that in a second. But my first question is, what are you?
What am I?
Yeah, in one or two words. Because you're a growth mindset kind of guy. You're in the psychology realm. You're really helping people.
I don't know if it's what I am, but it's always what I've wanted to be, and I've wanted to be something like a superhero. I've always wanted to be a superhero.
Okay. What kind of superhero? Or why, I guess? Why would you be a superhero?
Why would be a superhero? I want to help people.
Okay.
And I love the feeling of being able to help people.
Yeah.
And, just having a superpower would just be so cool so I'm definitely, like I said, I want to be one. I'm not, it's what I aspire to be. Let's put it that way.
Okay. So what gets you out of bed in the morning? Without the alarm clock, what excites you? Why do you do what you do? Because you help a lot of people with their growth mindset. You coach them, you help them get ahead in life. But why?
That's a lot of what gets me out of bed in the morning. And being able to work with this stuff, I found psychology. It became a passion about 15 years ago, and being able to continue to learn and continue to grow and continue to find ways to make this material relevant and to be able to really, and I'll say, not only help other people but help myself at the same time, because that is the other reason I got into psychology was, I struggled a lot as a kid and even as an adult with anxiety, and so trying to find truth, trying to find my own answers. And through psychology, these tools, the tools that I work with, the tools that I coach people with, help people with, are all designed to help people find their own answers. I've found some answers through them as well, which is
So what's the number one challenge you see people have when they come talk to you? What's their biggest challenge? What are people struggling with the most in life, would you say? If you had to pick one thing, that's
If I had to pick one thing, really?
I'm going to make you pick one thing. I'm not going to let you off the hook.
Communication.
Yeah. Communication?
Yeah, I see people struggling with communication. Just being able to effectively communicate with other people and being able to get what they want. Being able to state what they need. So one of the biggest, I have quotes. I have lots of quotes. I like quotes.
Quotes are good.
And one of my favorites is, conflict is inevitable, combat's optional.
Very clever.
So learning...
Now there's a nugget for you guys.
Yeah. So learning how to communicate effectively, without combat, and that can be tough sometimes. Mm-hmm. Especially if there's a lot of emotions involved in the conversation.
Which is kind of like where we are today in the world, right? With the politics and all the stuff going on. There's a lot of combat going on. But I don't see a whole lot of communication.
No, it's broken down. It's broken down in a big way, and it's one of the concerns I have for our future as a society. So
you were telling me before about your foundational skills kit, this new little program you put together that's designed to address some of this.
Yeah.
Tell us real quickly about that. What's that about?
The foundational skills kit is broken into 6 modules, and what I do is it's a set of tools. It's a kit. It's how to be able to. Not live life, but live a life of satisfaction. And not just to live, but to thrive, to soar.
So it's not going to solve all your problems.
No.
It's going to give you the tools that you need to actually go tackle what you need to tackle.
It creates the environment, the learning environment for you to be able to find the answers you need to find. And that may not be just with you. That may be with other people as well, because we work, collective intelligence. We have ideas, and we work much better when we're collectively working together. And so kind of the 6 areas that I cover in the foundational skills kit are goal setting, goal achievement, mindsets, because mindsets are also huge, limiting beliefs, because we are our own worst enemies, and figuring out what's getting in our way. And
man after my own heart on that one, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Being able to not only become aware of that, but change that. What else? Communication, being able to effectively communicate. Stress management is another one.
No stress is out there. What are you talking about? There's no stress. There's no financial stress. There's no health stress. There's no relationship stress.
None of that. And so being able to actually leverage stress effectively to help you, because we need stress. Stress is actually important. We need a certain amount of stress in our lives to be able to help push us and help us grow and help us move forward.
Okay, so we don't want to eliminate stress.
No.
We just want to use it to our advantage.
Correct.
And not use it to our detriment.
And be able, yes, exactly, be able to use it to our advantage and to be able to recognize when we may be overwhelmed and be able to take the proper steps to deal with it appropriately in a healthy manner.
So I want to put you on the spot here.
Okay.
You said communication was the number one thing people struggle with, which is part of your FSK.
Yep.
Give us one little growth hack. One little hack you can give us that we can do to improve our communication. Something that something simple.
Yes, and. So take the word yes and take the word but out of your vocabulary.
But
no.
Yes.
And yes and
oh boy.
Yes and it can be, it's a habit. You need to practice this. Because if I say, Josh, I love your beard, but the way you shave your head, I whereas if I said, Josh, I love your beard, and
hey, talk to my barber.
I think you could shave your head a little bit differently. Those two statements land completely differently.
But we're so used to hearing buts. We're so used to the buts. Everything's a but. I love you, but.
I love you, but.
Man, that looks great on you, but.
And that kills it kills the compliment. It kills the positive feedback that you want to be giving, right? So, yes. So, using yes and keeps that positive feedback intact, and is able to open up a window so that people are able to listen to and process that. I don't want to call it critical feedback, but the feedback maybe that they need to hear to get better. The challenge feedback.
Dude, this is freaking awesome. I love that.
Yeah, cool.
I love that. I think what you're doing is awesome, and I can't wait for people to find out more about it. So how do people get a hold of you? How do people find you?
Well, you can.
Where the heck are you, man?
I'm everywhere.
Everywhere
at once.
All right.
I can be reached. You can find my website, McComas CG, McComasCG.com. That's my website. And really, that's where you can get a hold of me, and that's where you can find a little bit more description about what I do and what the Foundational Skills Kit covers.
Man. Guys, go check this guy out. I mean, if you want to start with changing your life, it starts here, right? Your inner world creates your outer world, and that's why I love what this guy is doing. I'm supporting it. We're partnering together, and we're doing some amazing stuff. So go check out our stuff too, and it's just going to be
that's Volition in Motion.
Volition in Motion.
Volition in Motion.
We got Broke is No Joke. We got FSK. We got Volition in Motion. We got A, B, C, D, F, G, all the above, all the letters.
We got Zoff at Work. We got, that's the other project.
I think we cover all the letters.
Yeah, I think we got them. All right, good.
Yeah. All right, cool. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.